Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance.
Today I am going to share with you a home remedy to get rid of cockroaches. There are many different ways in which you can get rid of the cockroaches, but most of the products especially created to destroy these pests are loaded with poisonous chemicals. These chemicals are dangerous for our health, especially children's as well. So you should focus on natural ingredients to destroy these pests without any harm. Now come to the remedy. You will need just 2 ingredients to prepare it. Take 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Preparation. First, make the onion paste or chop it, then add the baking soda. Place the resulting mixture in the corners of your house, in the kitchen and the bathroom. Repeat this process every day until you get rid of these disgusting pests forever.
Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.